Welcome to my 5-part series of what broke people don't know about making money. Part 1. Here's what people don't know about making money and why most people stay broke in 2025. I used to be broke, not just in my bank account, but in my mindset. I believed if I worked harder, things would get better. They didn't. I was always asking, how do I make more money? Why can't I get ahead? Is this all there is? Here's what I wasn't asking. What's keeping me stuck? Who am I learning from? Am I trading time or building freedom? Reality check. Most people in 2025 are broke not because they're lazy, but because they're following a broken system. A job isn't security anymore. Inflation, AI, rent, it's all rising and your paycheck isn't. So if you're serious about changing your money story, it starts with changing what you believe is possible. Comment day 2 and I'll drop what changed my life in the next video.